Have you ever wondered how sustainable gardening practices can contribute to a healthier planet? Well, it's more significant than you might think. By embracing sustainable gardening, we're not just growing plants, we're nurturing an eco-friendly lifestyle. It's about reducing waste, conserving water, and promoting biodiversity right in our backyards. In essence, we're contributing to a greener, healthier earth with every seed we plant. Intrigued? Stick around to know how you can make your garden more sustainable. Now that you understand why sustainable gardening matters, here are some practical tips to help you get started. First, consider composting your kitchen waste. This not only reduces landfill but also enriches your garden soil naturally. Secondly, opt for native plants. They are adapted to local conditions, require less water, and are more resistant to pests. Thirdly, give crop rotation a try. This ancient practice can improve soil fertility and reduce pest and disease problems. Lastly, say no to synthetic fertilizers and pesticides. They may give you quick results but can harm the environment in the long run. Instead, go organic. Use natural fertilizers such as compost or manure and control pests with organic methods like introducing beneficial insects. These practices may require a bit more effort, but they are kinder to our planet and can make your garden a healthier, more vibrant place. Remember, every small step towards sustainability makes a big difference. That's all we have for today on sustainable gardening. We hope you're ready to get your hands dirty and start making a difference in your own backyard. It's time to put those practical tips to use and cultivate a garden that's not just beautiful, but also beneficial to our planet. Every little step counts, so don't hesitate to start small. And remember, the journey of sustainable gardening is an ongoing one. Don't forget to like this video and hit that subscribe button for more useful gardening advice. Happy gardening!